Hello to my YouTube family. Welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. I'm your host Faisal Mahmood from Faisal Products YouTube channel. So in this today tutorial, we are going to cover some more key feature of Shopify per page for AOV, which will increase your average order value. So in this today tutorial, I'm going to discuss the short description, like how you guys can put something like this into your Shopify store using Dawn theme or whichever theme you're using, which supports blocks option. So I will just perform some small code as well and guide you how you guys can implement that code as well. So in our recent tutorial, we discussed regarding the Shopify bullet points, and today we are going to discuss regarding short description. These are also one of the key features of AOV. So what it does actually, these are the basic points or key features which highlights the value of product, and it also help customers to grasp this value and suitability for the need. Moreover, it encourages them to buy the product because per short description and bullet points show more clear understanding regarding product, and it also increases the conversions or average order value as I mentioned before. So let's get started to make sure how we can do it. Okay, I'm going to a Shopify dashboard area, and here we can see uh, I have created metafield already with the name of short description, and I put some short description over there, and you can see it is loading over there. So I use rich text where you can see I had just bold this text. You can italic, you can add the links. So this is more efficient way to show short description individually for each product. Okay. So now we are going to create a new meta field. I'm going to settings, and over there I will click on custom data, products, and here I'll create another definition with the name of new description. Okay, and yes, I am going to choose rich text. Yes, and I'll simply create this. So here you can see a new description Battlefield has already created. I will simply go inside and copy the key for this. Okay, this is the key of this I have mentioned over there. Okay, now let me put some random data for this meta field, like new description stars from here. So when I will put the code, it should have to render this information. Okay, so this is the basic steps we have to do before going towards the coding. So now I'm going towards on store, and here I will put some code to render that meta field content on the theme. I'm going to customize, and here I will click on shop now. So page is loading. If you want to know how to create these bullet points unique for each individual product, I have already created that tutorial. You guys can see a card on top right side of screen. So you can watch that tutorial if you want to know how to create these bullet points. Okay. So now we are going to create this short description. First, I will remove this, the current one. Okay, it has removed. I'm just going to add another block. Keep in mind, I'm using Shopify Dawn theme. So in Dawn theme, there are different type of extra blocks available. But if you are using any other theme or any theme which is not having custom liquid, it depends on the scenario of theme which you are using. So at the moment, I'm using Dawn theme. But if you need any custom modifications or need any help, you can leave your comment in the comment box. Okay, I'm going to click on custom liquid. So block has added successfully. Now I have to create a code to put inside this. So for this, I'm going to create input tag product dot metafields dot. After this, I'm going to put that metafield key after this, and then I have to put a filter with the name of metafield. Sorry. Okay, that is it. Now I will copy this code I will provide this code inside the tutorial description or my blog article. Don't worry about that. So I just put it over there. Now I'm going to say, and you guys can see it has rendered successfully. Short description. Okay, if you are not using that meta fill tag filter, the content will not render properly. See, it will show content like this. So it is very mandatory thing. You have to put meta fill tag this as a filter to show the content. So now you can see content is over there. Let me go and refresh or open it in a new tab. Now you can see the new description is over there. So let's go back to the dashboard area. Okay. So here we are going to search for Sheila J. Okay, great. Now here we are going to put this information. Okay, let me put like this information as example. You can put whatever description you have as per scenario. Okay, now I want to, let's suppose I want to make it bold or highlight natural energy, or if I want to make it italic, physical performance, italic, gummies. If you want to share any reference knowledge for gummies, you can link it with any other information, any external source. Like if you want to put, like I'm going to Google as an reference. Like if somebody will click on this, it should have to load Google as an example. You can put an external link as per your need. Now let me refresh the page. It will take some fractions of second to update on the backend. Boom. Now you can see description is over there and it is very well mannered. You can highlight your required text. You can add anchor. You can italic, or you can put the bullets as well to show the clear description of the product in concise way, so that you can make your customer mind, or you can encourage them to purchase the product right after reading this small or short description and some bullet points. They can take the decision to purchase the product immediately. And yeah, it's definitely going to help you. I hope that you guys will love that tutorial. And if you guys are still having any query, you can comment in comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and support. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Stay tuned.